Hi guys, it's Crystal, and today we're going to do this gorgeous gradient with this beautiful sketched heart stamping over it. It is absolutely lovely. This is one of the Valentine's tutorials I did not post previously because I'd done a lot of pink and purple already and I didn't want to do more at that point, but you guys asked for them, so you're getting them. To start off, I'm going in with my base coat from Glisten and Glow. I wore these, I think, for 2 or 3 days because I recorded this and then I had to work over the weekend. So I used a regular base coat instead of a peel-off. I've been using peel-offs and then doing my nails every day, even when I'm not swatching, just because I've liked changing it up and I've been experimenting a lot lately. But for these, I used the regular. Next, I'm going in with Diamond from Damn Nail Polish as the base color. This is a gorgeous silver linear holographic with these slightly bigger hexagonal little hollow bits in them. I keep calling them hollow bits. They're just hollow glitter, but they're just slightly bigger bits, and they give it a little pop, a little dazzle. They're really gorgeous. This is the lightest color in the little ombre gradient we have going on, so this is what I use as a base. When I do gradients, I always put the lightest color down first. For my cuticle protector today, I'm using the Peel Off Polish Protector from Edge Perfection. This is super awesome. I love this. I love this tiny brush it has, and I need to actually order more of this because I only have this one pen of it and I need more. For the gradient, I'm using Amethyst, this beautiful linear purple from Damn Nail Polish in the OG bottle, and Garnet, which is this gorgeous linear holographic pink, also in the OG bottle. I call them the OG bottles because these were the original bottles before she rebranded. She made the new logo, and I love the new logo. It's absolutely adorable, but I still love my old bottles, so I'm keeping them. I could have probably asked for new stickers for the new ones, but I'm still in love with the old ones, so I'm going to keep them until they run out. If they run out. They actually might run out. I wear these colors a lot. I really love these. These are some of my go-to pinks and purples. This creates such a beautiful gradient here on the sponge. And then I'm dabbing it on the nail. I went in and I did 2 layers on this. After one layer, Diamond was opaque and it was okay, but I wanted the purple and the pink to be a little bolder, to have a little more pop. It looked really pretty light, but I just wanted it to have more. And this is a look that would look so gorgeous with so many different colors. Like, you could do so many different versions of this. Purple, orange, and red, or purple, orange, and yellow, or red, pink, and white, or just so many things, and it would still be such a beautiful mani. As you can see there, I peeled off my protector, and I'm going to do some off-camera cleanup with my No. 2 cleanup brush from twinkled-t, which results in this gorgeousness. And then I'm putting some more Edge Perfection down here, just because I'm going to stamp, and it makes the cleanup easier. With the stamping polish I use, you can usually just pull it off your skin with tape, but I just would rather not do that because if some of it does stick to the skin, I end up getting acetone everywhere and drying it out. So cuticle protector it is. For the stamping image, we're using these hearts from the B24 Love is Everywhere plate from What's Up Nails. I'm using my extra large stainless steel stamper and scraper from twinkled-t. It's got the big sticky head. And then the Vibin stamping polish from twinkled-t, which, as you can see, is running out. I need to order replacements. I wish they had like giant refill bottles of the black and white, because I use their black and white stamping polish all the time. And while the other colors are really lasting, I'm running out of those two so quickly. I had backup bottles, but even the backup bottles are out. To put this image down, I went a bit slow because I was kind of curling it over the nails. My nails, for some reason, have been getting a really defined C-curve lately. I don't know if it's the way they're growing out or what, but if I don't roll it over, I've been getting breaks in the image that's been driving me crazy. Then I peeled off my cuticle protector again and did some more of that sneaky off-camera cleanup. And for the final step here, went in with my top coat from Glisten and Glow. It's my usual top coat, quick drying. I can do stuff in 5-10 minutes when I use it. And it makes my hollow pop. See how everything suddenly got beautiful? And that's it! Then you have this gorgeous look, which looks so complicated, but is actually so easy to achieve. I mean, definitely try this out, and if you do, tag me on Instagram and let me see it, because I think this would look so good in so many other colors. I just don't have the time to test it out in all those other colors. I did try 2 or 3 other colors though on swatch sticks. Maybe I'll post those on Instagram. I don't know. I hope you enjoyed this though. I really loved making it. I just didn't want to post all pink and purple manis for Valentine's because I already had so much pink and purple going on. They are my favorite colors, but I know they're not everyone's favorite colors, even though they kind of should be. As usual though, if you like this, give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button for more fun stuff and tutorials and, you know, my generalized insanity. And I will see you guys next time.